Nakikita yung 360 yan. Sige na. Go. Open the first one. Which one?
Oh, okay. This is from...
This is from Shopee.
From Tito Ram. It's from the Lander. Let's see. Oh, nice. A baby girl. It's a dream come true.
Baby girl?
Mark and Princess and Baby.
Ano sabi?
And
Congratulations!
you know, more amazing than you could ever imagine. Happy baby shower. Happiness always. Congratulations to your new bundle of joy. Olivia. Wow, so nice.
Okay.
Let's open.
You open his gift. You count.
Okay.
That is...
Oh, nice. Wow.
What is that? What is that?
Oh, it's a bassinet.
Babe,
Paano mo?
baliktad eh.
Tingin mo. Ah, ganun.
Hawakan mo. Baliktad mo. Baliktad ang gift. Ah. Ang bigat naman ito.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Ano kaya naman?
Look.
Look, what is it?
I don't know. It's for the baby.
Oh, it's a bassinet, right?
Bassinet.
Yeah.
Look.
Gusto mo ano?
Can I open the
Assemble?
present?
Next time, we open the other present first.
Yeah,
Let's
we'll
open.
open
Which
it.
one? The second one. Which one?
I wanna open that door present.
What? This one? Okay, wait. Let's move this.
Gusto ko yan para makita. Oh.
Here's the letter. You read the letter.
Oh, there's a letter, oh.
You read the letter.
Nelly. Tiny yawns and sleepy sighs, nursery rhymes and lullabies, a world of dreams awaits. Oh, sila to.
Yan.
Ay, si Ate Bernice.
Ang sabi?
Says, with dad to be, and dad to be, hirap pangalan mo. Enjoy every joyous moments this little angel will bring into your lives. Ate Beth.
Okay, let's open her gift.
Uy, kunin mo na muna. Huwag mo naman itapon. Yay!
Yay! Go!
Ikaw na.
I don't know how to open. I need a cell phone.
Oh, you open. You help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help Tito Mike.
Eighteen.
What is this?
Roll.
What is this?
Dalawa yung ganyan. May isa pang ganyan.
Ano to? Trolley?
Yung nilalagay yung mga diaper and utility cart.
Utility card. Okay, next. Which one? Ano mo siya?
Which one, Ellie? What? Rainbow?
Rainbow?
Okay. Let's see what's inside.
Here, ikaw mag-open. Let's see what inside.
What's inside?
You guess.
This is from Jeremy and Jamie.
Oh. Rainbow. What's that?
it's a it's a car.
Ano yan? What's that?
What's this again?
What is that? What is that?
Smart baby car monitor.
Oh, baby monitor.
There's more.
Like mini laptop, tablet. To monitor the baby.
Parang tayo balik.
Baby car monitor. Ah, sasakyan? Oh, okay. Next, which one?
I want that one, the Lego.
Yellow?
Lego.
The Lego.
The Lego? This one?
Yes.
Okay. Let's open this. You open the Lego.
And then when the Lego Tata.
Mm-hmm. Okay. The first one is a hedges.
Let's see. So many presents inside. What's that?
It's a milk bag. I got milk bags.
Milk bag. What's that?
See?
Milk bag.
Milk bags.
You drink milk?
We drink milk.
It's for the baby.
I thought
Okay. What's this?
What's that?
Storage bags. Breast milk storage bags. Then, when you do breastfeeding, this one, you've got this, mama.
What's that?
Siguro sa kanya to dati. Binili niya. Kasi yung mga gifts niya, bibigay pa niya yung mga damit. Tapos siya pa yung sumagot ng ano.
Okay.
Hindi pa rin na-transfer yung ano.
More.
Oh, more, Ellie. What else, Ellie? What?
What?
Lapit ka.
The animal one? This one? Okay. You open this.
This is from
This is from...
Ate Jamie and Jeremy.
Again?
Ayun.
Okay. Let's see.
Sige, open.
It's heavy. Let's open this. You have... what's this?
Huwag mo kita ko yung mga ganun.
Sterilizer.
Yeah.
Oh.
For the bottle,
For the
milk.
bottles. Yeah, for the bottles.
Baby
Okay,
bottles.
let's put it here. What next? What's next? Where? This one?
Sa gitna.
The big one.
Ay, hindi mo maiba pa yan. Tanggalin mo yung isa. Hindi yan. Tanggalin mo yan.
Ito.
Yan, yan. Alisin mo yan.
This one.
Not that one.
Not that one?
Yung flower daw.
The flower? This one? Okay, you open the flower.
Oh! I got clothes.
What's that?
Look, Kelly.
What's that?
Baby clothes.
Hmm?
Look. Look, oh. You say thank you. Oh, what else?
More. What else?
Ah,
What's inside? You guess what's inside? Let's read the letter. God bless your beautiful family. From Barb, Nikki, and Cindy. Okay, you read the letter first. You read the letter.
Tata Will.
The
Oh,
drawing.
nice. What's here? What's this?
You read.
Welcome, baby. Can't wait to meet you, baby Olivia.
Can't wait to meet you. Okay, you open this blue one.
What is it?
Open. Open.
Okay.
What's
now.
that?
Look, Ellie. Can you see?
What's that? Pillow?
Huh?
Pillow?
No.
Elephant pillow?
You have a
Blanket?
blanket. Oh, see, she knows.
Blanket.
For the crib. It's an elephant.
Elephant blanket. Wow. Same with your blanket. Next. Which one? Yeah. What's next?
What do you want?
What's next? Ito, sleep na.
Magaling.
Tulog na. Okay, let's open the presents tomorrow. Alice. Oh,
Oh, Ellie, you choose na so that we can finish.
you choose.
I'll choose that pink one with sprinkles.
Little sprinkles.
What?
This one.
This one? Okay, you open. You open.
This is from Ninong Rainier.
from Ninong Rainier.
Can you show this to Mommy? Ellie.
What's that? It's a dog.
Mayat ba daytoy? Baby Bjorn.
Baby born?
Pang one.
Baby born. Mga picture.
Apa nga ito, Jaina?
Sa'yo Jay
Ano ganun ba?
Baby, it's a baby born. Baby born or baby born.
Okay, so we got
Pagina,
sterilizer,
$100
blankets.
Sterilizer. Yung kopong sterilizer.
Uy, ang kagkong-comment, kadati ko ang... Kadati camera. Ano gumatang ipon? Mayat ba daytoy?
For the baby.
Manutawon na daytoy, pang manutawon.
Ito?
Newborn lang.
For newborn.
Ang gana 25 kilos. Ay, 25 pounds.
Okay, what's next?
Ellie, what's next?
What's next? What's next?
Itaas mo nga.
The blue one. The blue one. It's heavy. Oh. Enjoy your gift. Okay, you open your gift.
This is from Barb, Nikki, and Wendy. Okay. Oh, it's another. Casey, kita mo. Mark, it's very heavy.
What's that? It's heavy.
It's the same as this one.
Very heavy. Oh, hawak mo.
Casey, duwati kasi nga nagregalo. Kita mo. Where's your mom? You tell her to move.
Come on.
Casey, hindi ba yung na-brand na dito? Yung nagkamali ako sa tipo? Look, ito na eh. Same lang ba, Mark? Ay, same lang. Kaksa.
This one.
Belsan. Ang kinatang ko aya, duwa na regalo daw.
The baby.
Okay.
What's next?
What's next, Ellie? Ellie. What's next?
The coconut?
Where's the coconut? Where is it? Oh, yeah,
What?
Are those coconut?
Okay.
Polka dots.
Polka
Okay.
dots? Okay, let's open. What's inside? What's
Let's
that?
see. This is a baby bag.
She will go to school na.
It's a diaper bag.
Diaper bag.
Naghinamot dito niya. Casey, kita dati diaper bag na.
Diaper bag? Hmm.
This is for a diaper.
She's 5 years. She's 5-year-old na. Hmm.
Mark, kunin mo nga to. Huwag mong tapon na ako na. 6 months, 6.
Look,
Big.
her bag. Ano na? Okay, what's next? 5 more left. Polka dots again?
Later.
This one? Okay, you open the polka dots. Oh.
Oh, Ellie, first, what's this? Nice. This is from whom?
Look,
I think this is from yung dalawang mag-asawa. What's their
look. Show it to mommy.
What is their name, Mark? Vincent.
Angela.
Angela. Ay, ano pala to? Ipit?
Ipit. Ipit siya, may ipit.
Look, Elio. Wow.
May ipit na siya because she has a long hair.
Ellie, look,
She
oh.
has long hair. Look, oh.
What about this one? Wow, it's
Wow.
so very nice.
Hmm.
Okay.
Like baby calvo? Like baby calvo? Like baby calvo's hair?
Oh. Ay, marami siyang blue.
Okay, 4 more left. 4 more left.
Which one?
What's next? The black one. This one? It's not heavy. Okay.
This is not actually for the baby, it's for Tito Mark. Yes.
Huh?
It's from Ren.
Okay. You open. I will open. You help me, okay?
Oh, Tito Mark. Ang ganda lang ng mga rubber nila.
Mukhang mamahalin nila.
Marami yata siyang ano. Yung mga rubber.
What is this?
Lagay mo nga muna sa kwarto natin.
What is this?
It's a humidifier.
Huh?
Oh, it's air purifier.
Air purifier.
It's gonna clean the air. Yeah.
Yeah. What's next? Tomorrow. What's next? What's next?
The squiggly one. It's like the diamonds.
Huh?
This one.
This one? Oh, you open.
Oh, this is for...
It's
It is from
Kanina yan?
Eleanor.
From Eleanor. From Ellie.
Me?
Hmm.
Hmm.
What? What did you buy?
I just buy soap.
These are soap,
Soap,
shampoo,
toothpaste,
lotion, body wash,
body wash,
diaper rash.
perfume.
Yeah.
No, I don't have to.
Two
Oh.
more left.
That other animal with the sun over there.
With the sun. This one?
This is from
This is from.
Sonam and I think
What's inside?
Christina.
Oh, you read the letter first.
Baby Girls Rock.
Baby girls.
Wow, congrats.
I am so happy for you because I know how much you have been wanting this. You and your baby girl deserve the word Miss Miracle Baby. Congratulations. I wish you the best on your journey. I'm so happy for you. You'll be an amazing mom. I know your baby girl will be showered with so much love and care. Congratulations once again. You open her gift.
Oh, what's weird? You know this?
What's this?
It's a pacifier.
Pacifier?
You call it a silver too.
Pacifier. Here.
And it's also a silver.
Scissor?
No. What is it, Ellie? It's also a... How you call it?
Silver.
Suser? Can you ask Mommy what's that?
Mommy, what's the silver?
Amerika, Suser. Yan ka di prinsesa. Nanakay pag-isip ko. Suser.
Ah.
Pagpaya Suser di awag ni Eddie. Ano ni princess din ang mayroon ni word na Suser.
Galing ah.
Tamo ko Suser?
Kapay ni Ellie.
Tamo ko Suser kung hana. Ano mga Zuter?
Suser.
Okay. What else?
Ellie, look. Oh, I have...
What's that? Ipagka mo ni What kind of soup?
What else? What else?
Did you buy it? Wow. Tas lalaki ganyan.
Gagi, manin ano nga na ultrasound mo? What?
What? More.
One more.
Ba-
Agad nga socks.
Na dapat kay pasok mo dahil tata. Naglakada dumakol.
Nagadupay ginatang ko.
Oh.
Hmm.
Okay. What's next? Elitoy.
That's this one. The last one.
The last one.
I have a lot of gifts also there.
Look, oh,
Wait, ano yun?
oh, microphone.
This is a...
You open the last gift.
How do you call this one? It's like pillow
What's
when you're
inside?
breastfeeding.
My baby. Yunita. I
Breast...
have
Yun.
donut.
Breastfeeding pillow.
Donut?
This is from Patricia. Ay, there. No, can you get that?
What? Okay, it's from Patricia. Okay, you read the letter. Look, oh. Look.
See, oh? Breastfeeding.
Ew, just do this.
Look, you open the letter. Elitoy, you open the letter. You open the letter. Here. Open this and read.
Kasi ba sa kotse mo yung ano?
Tapos yan.
Yung mga chairs, tsaka.
Magic happened.
Oh, wish na and family.
No more gift. No more present.
There's one more gift.
No more presents.
Look.
What's inside? Gift card.
Balls from Kuya Nimrod.
Gift card worth
Wish na.
$80.
Pati.
$80. Yay!
How much? Well, how much is $80? $4,000.
The best baby shower ever.
Oh. Here. Paano to i-avail?
Maybe yung binigay rin ni Christy ganito. 100. Aka na yung mga ganito niya.
That's it. No more presents.
We have a lot there too. I will put it here.
We have a lot there in the other side. Look.
I-ano natin lahat dito, Omar. Tapos picturean.
Look, oh. You pop it. Pop it.
Not yet.
Pop the balloons.
I don't know. You make scissors.
Scissors.
Hindi ba sabi niya? Mark, tapos nga ng mga letter.
You don't have one?
Lahat. Pati yan, yung green dyan.
Okay. That's it.
Tapos ilabas mo yung mga dating mga ano.
Can we put them now?
Not yet. We're gonna take a photo. Yung buong karton dyan,
More. Here, you open the presents.